na-unlock mo yung mga event chuchu ng mga characters. Itong mga to, diba? Pwede mo silang i-invite.
Invite, as in...
Pwede mo silang like go on like kumbaga date. Tapos pag na-build up mo yung trusts nila, ito si Chingy.
Sinong pinakabata dyan?
Sino ba? Ngayon yung sa akin si Corin eh.
Noted.
Wait. No. Bro. No.
I have a Minecraft YouTube, by the way.
No. Sabi ni Bix, medyo mabagal daw kapag controller yung pag-switch eh.
Kaya nga ayoko.
Let me see the last one.
Man.
Alas stress na ng ganun-ganun lang.
Oh!
You fucking shit!
Idol Bush.
Well, welcome home, my child.
Naka-grasp lang. Bobo kasi. Liar inner. Parkid na.
Okay.
Wala lang. Gusto ko lang gamitin.
Putang ina, ayaw niya ako iwan!
Fuck.
Ayaw niya ako iwan!
Yes. Hello.
Thank you for that.
Please, don't die. Die, slash them. Ay, mamatay ng non-binary. Ay, mamatay ng... Ay, nidilig.
Ayan, namatay.
Namatay.
Ayaw mamatay.
Well, tama ko.
It's a boy.
Are you my proxy?
Never mind.
Yes.
Oh my god, please.
Oh my God.
Eh, bakit lalaki? Oh no!
Ba't lalaki? Ano yan? Bakit lalaki? No! Ano yan?
Kaninong gender reveal yan?
Ako na dyan.
Puto lang, buntot. Ang cute pagbato niya.
Tanggal yung buntot.
Ang cute.
Yell at them, and he, freaks out, calls them dumb as they put him in handcuffs. He got taken to a mental institution, mental hospital, whatever the I don't know what's the situation around that is, but he didn't post for a while, and then he kind of came back a few months later. And then he left.
What the fuck is going on? Alright. Magpul mo.
Ancestors, hear my plea.
Siyempre, 4-star na. Isa lang!
Ano yung isa lang?
Yung cry for, ano, isa lang.